What is a medical disclaimer for podcasts? Have you ever wondered how podcasts that discuss health topics keep themselves safe from legal issues? One important tool they use is a medical disclaimer. This is a clear statement that appears in podcast episodes, often at the beginning or end. It tells listeners that the content is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. The hosts want to make it clear that they are not providing personalized medical guidance. Instead, they encourage listeners to consult licensed healthcare professionals for any specific health concerns. This is especially vital for podcasts that cover medical, health, or wellness topics. By including a medical disclaimer, creators protect themselves from legal liability and clarify the limits of the information shared. Imagine if a listener took the content as direct medical advice. That could lead to misunderstandings and potential harm. A well-crafted medical disclaimer helps prevent this by stating that the content is not a substitute for professional medical advice. It also reminds listeners to seek advice from qualified healthcare providers. Another key point is that no doctor-patient relationship is formed through the podcast. This is crucial because it sets clear boundaries about the nature of the information being shared. The language used in the disclaimer should be straightforward and easy to understand, making it accessible for all listeners. Podcasters should place this disclaimer at the start and/or end of each episode. It can also be included in show notes or on the podcast website. This practice is not just about legality, it builds trust with the audience. Transparency is important in maintaining a good relationship with listeners. For those monetizing their content, a medical disclaimer supports compliance with regional laws and professional standards. This is especially relevant for podcasts that are part of a business model. Additionally, podcasters must be aware of privacy regulations, such as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, when sharing any patient-related information. They should ensure no protected health information is disclosed without consent. In summary, a medical disclaimer is a protective statement that informs listeners about the nature and limits of medical content on a podcast. It is essential for responsible podcasting in health-related fields, helping to keep both the creators and the audience safe.